I'm Chris Klinker, and I'm a hockey player, and I also drive forklift at BF Goodrich. I use Funk Out for cleaning my hockey equipment, for shoes, different things around the house, the dog bed at times. I use both kinds of Funk Out. I use the laundry kind when I want to soak my gear, throw it in the bathtub, leave it for a few hours, then drag it outside and let the sun do the rest of the work. I use the spray Funk Out when I like to do my skates, my gloves. We've tried odor eaters before, and it didn't work near as well as what Funk Out does. When I use Funk Out, I can tell almost immediately that the smell is starting to fade. It makes my wife very happy that I can use that and not have my gear laying out for days, drying out.
I use Funk Out a lot for like my marching band shoes or after I have a dance competition. I use the Funk Out spray most of the time, but I think sometimes if something smells super bad, my dad sneaks it into my laundry. After most of our band competitions, everyone smells pretty bad, so I just pass around the bottle of Funk Out for everyone to use.